In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Apple Store account. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes of your time. Let's start by navigating to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll find the Settings app on your home screen. It's the one represented by a gray icon with gears on it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Apple Account and tap on it. This section manages everything related to your Apple ID. So it's where we need to be to log into your Apple Store account. As you tap on Apple account, you might notice you have a couple of options here. You can either use another Apple device or sign in manually. For simplicity, and for those who might not have another Apple device readily accessible, we'll choose to sign in manually in this example. Now here's where the process starts getting a bit personal. You need to enter either your Apple ID email address or possibly your phone number that's linked with your Apple account. Go ahead and type it in carefully. Accuracy is key here to ensure a smooth login process. After entering your Apple ID, look towards your keyboard and you should see the Continue button. Tap it and you'll be prompted to enter your password next. Type in your password with care, ensuring each character is correct. It's important to remember that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you're using the correct upper and lower case letters. Once done, tap Done on your keyboard to proceed. At this point, your device might prompt you to enter a 6-digit verification code. This is a security feature called two-factor authentication, designed to protect your account. Usually this code is sent to one of your trusted devices or the phone number associated with your account. Keep your eye on your devices for the code, then enter it once you have it. This 6-digit code adds an extra layer of security and confirms that it's really you trying to access your account. After successfully entering the code, your login process is complete. Congratulations, you've just logged into your Apple Store account. With your account now accessible, you can enjoy downloading apps, updating your existing ones, and managing your subscriptions with ease. If you ever encounter issues signing in or if you've forgotten your credentials, Apple provides robust support options to help you recover your account. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your Apple Store account.